In this question, one triangle and one semicircles are arranged in this way. And inside this semicircle, the length of this chord is given 10 units, that is pink line segment. And also one angle of this triangle is 45 degree, that is straight angle. Then we need to find the area of this semicircle. So to find the area of this semicircle, first I will consider center for this semicircle. Let's suppose here, okay, and I will give name like this: A for this point, B, C, D, and E. At this point, I will consider as a F. Okay. Now, I will consider radius for this semicircle as a small r. Okay. Now we can see here after connecting D to C. If we will connect this D to C like this, so what it is, so it will become DBC will become one triangle. And DBC is a which kind of triangle? It will be right angle triangle actually. Why? Because triangle made in a semicircle with diameter is always a right angle triangle according to Thales theorem. Okay, so this DBC is a right angle triangle. Okay, now we can see here one thing. Since this angle is 90 degree, so by default this angle will be also 90 degree. Why it is 90 degree? Because AB is a straight line, and on a straight line is a angle is actually 180 degrees. So this 90 plus 90 it will be 180 degrees. Also we can see this ADC will become now is a right angle triangle. I am talking about this triangle, this ADC. This triangle I am talking about actually ADC. Which kind of triangle it is? Right angle triangle. Now see this here. After that, if we will see this angle is 45 degree and this angle is 90 degree. Actually, this angle is 90 degree. Okay, so by default this angle will be what? 45 degree, because sum of angle of the triangle is equal to 180 degree. So ADC in this triangle, this two angles are same, so by default this will become isosceles triangle. Okay, ADC is what? Which kind of triangle? Isosceles triangle. Okay, now after this I will connect here this two line A to E. So if E will be what? Actually it will be the radius of this semicircle, and also I will connect FD. FD will also be the radius of this semicircle. I have considered already a small r, so this will also be what? A small r. Now one thing we can see here, one important concept. The concept is here. What concept is here? You can see the angle subtended by an arc at the center of the double subtended by its any point on the remaining part of the semicircle. This is full circle actually. So if I will consider this is a semicircle, what I'm saying, you can see this is the center and this is the arc actually. So angle subtended this part with this diameter or this chord is always twice, that is 2 theta, then angle subtended on any part of the circumference like this. This is theta, this will be what? 2 theta. Or if this is 2 theta, then it will be theta. Even angle subtended with this here also is 45 degree. So in the center it will be what? 90 degree. So same way here we can see this angle. If you will observe it, this angle actually is forming what? 45 degree, and this is the chord. So in that basis we can see this angle at the center will be what? Twice. That is it will become 90 degree. So we can say that this angle By default, it will be 90 degree. Okay. So we can write in triangle, right angle triangle, DFE by using Pythagoras theorem, that is DF square plus FE square equal to DE square we can write. So DF is what we have considered R, so it will be R square, and FE is also R, so we will write R square, and D is 10, so it will be 10 square. So we can write here 2R square equal to 100. So this means we can say that R square will be 50. So this is here, and we know actually area of semicircle is equal to 1 by 2 pi r square. Pi r square is complete circle area, so semicircle area will be 1 by 2 pi r square. Then after we will write 1 by 2 pi, and r square value just we have calculated 50. So it will become 25. So we can say that 25 pi square unit, that is unit square, will be the required answer for this question. Also, if we will put the value of pi like this, 22 by 7 or 3.14, so it will be around actually 78.54 unit square answer for this question. So thanks for watching this video.